This could be the most underrated Apple product people are ignoring right now. Everyone talks about the newest iPhone, MacBook, and Apple Watch upgrades, but Apple TV 4K is quietly becoming something much bigger than just a streaming box. And the biggest question today is simple. Should you buy Apple TV 4K right now? Or is Apple preparing something bigger that could change your buying decision? Because the interesting thing is not only the design, not only the speed, and not only the price. It is what Apple TV is becoming inside the Apple ecosystem. The current Apple TV 4K is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, and that single decision makes this device very different from most streaming competitors. Most streaming boxes are designed only to open Netflix, YouTube, and basic apps. Apple built something closer to a small entertainment computer. The A15 Bionic chip gives extremely fast app loading, smooth animations, better gaming performance, and long-term value. This is important because many cheap streaming devices feel fast when they are new, but after a few years, updates become slower. Apple TV 4K is designed differently, but that's not the biggest advantage. The biggest change is how Apple is turning the TV into the center of your digital life. The current Apple TV 4K comes in two versions. The first model gives you Wi-Fi connectivity with 64 GB storage. The second version gives you 128 GB storage, gigabit Ethernet, and Thread networking support for advanced smart home users. For normal streaming users, 64 GB is enough. But if you are building a smart home, using Apple Arcade games, or planning to keep this device for many years, the 128 GB model is the smarter investment. And this is where things get interesting. Because Apple TV 4K is not competing only against Roku, Fire TV, or Google streaming devices anymore, Apple is building an ecosystem. Advantage. Your iPhone can calibrate your TV colors automatically. Your AirPods can connect instantly. For private watching, you can share audio with 2 pairs of AirPods at the same time. Your iPhone camera can become your FaceTime camera on the biggest screen in your home. Small. Features like these completely change the experience. Competitors can copy specifications, but copying the ecosystem is much harder. The numbers look impressive, but real-world usage tells a different story. Apple TV 4K supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Dolby Atmos, 5.1 and 7.1 surround sound. For people with premium televisions and sound systems, this matters. A cheaper streaming stick can play 4K video, but smoothness, processing, audio quality, and reliability create the premium experience. And there is one feature many buyers ignore. Gaming. Apple Arcade combined with the A15 chip makes Apple TV surprisingly powerful for casual gaming. No, it will not replace a PlayStation or Xbox, but for families, kids, and casual players, this adds more value. This is where Apple TV becomes more than a streaming device. It becomes entertainment, gaming, smart home, and communication in one small box. But now comes the important question. If Apple TV 4K is already this powerful, why would anyone wait for the next generation? This is where the future becomes interesting. Reports suggest Apple is continuing to invest heavily into the smart home category. A future Apple TV upgrade may not only focus on faster performance. The bigger opportunity is artificial intelligence, smarter home control, better connectivity, and deeper ecosystem features. A newer chip could bring better efficiency, stronger gaming performance, and future Apple Intelligence features. But here's what most buyers are missing. The current Apple TV 4K is already much faster than what most people need. Streaming 4K movies does not require laptop-level power. Opening apps does not require extreme performance. The reason Apple uses powerful chips is long-term. Ownership. This device is designed to stay fast for years, and that changes the buying decision. Compared to the previous Apple TV generations, the current model brings major improvements. The A15 Bionic chip gives faster processing, HDR10+. Support improves compatibility with more televisions. The design is smaller and more efficient. The Siri remote with USB-C is also a meaningful upgrade. These are not just specification changes, they improve daily experience. Now compare it against the biggest competitors. Amazon Fire TV devices are cheaper. Roku devices are simple and affordable. Google TV products offer flexibility, but Apple TV focuses on a different buyer. A buyer who wants premium technology. A buyer who already owns an iPhone, AirPods, MacBook, or iPad. A buyer who wants a product that works smoothly for many years. That is where the Apple ecosystem advantage becomes extremely powerful. But Apple TV 4K is not perfect. The biggest disadvantage is the price. At around $129 to $149 in the US market, it costs much more than many streaming devices. You can buy cheaper alternatives for a fraction of the price. So the real question is not, can a cheaper device stream movies? Because yes, it can. The real question is, do you want the fastest and most polished streaming experience for the next several years? That answer depends on your usage. If you only watch YouTube sometimes or Netflix once a week, Apple TV 4K is probably more power than you need. A cheaper streaming device will do the job. But if your TV is your main entertainment center, the value changes. If you watch movies daily, if you use Apple services, if you care about performance, if you have a premium OLED or mini LED television, Apple TV 4K starts making much more sense. The long-term value is where Apple wins. You are not paying only for today. You are paying for years of smooth updates, better privacy, stronger performance, and ecosystem features. And there is another area where Apple could surprise everyone. The smart home. With Matter and Thread support, Apple TV can work as the brain of your connected home. Light security accessories. Smart devices, automations. Everything can connect through Apple's home ecosystem. This could become much more important. In the future, as AI-powered homes become more common, Apple TV could slowly transform from a simple streaming box into a smart home computer, and that makes the next few years very interesting. So should you buy Apple TV 4K right now? Here's the final buying decision. If you already own the latest Apple TV 4K, you should probably wait. Your device is still extremely powerful. The A15 chip has plenty of performance left, and a small upgrade may not change your daily experience. If you own an older Apple TV HD or a slow smart TV interface, upgrading is absolutely worth considering. The speed difference alone will feel like a major upgrade. Apps open faster. The interface feels smoother. Movies and shows look better. The whole experience feels premium. If you are deep inside the Apple ecosystem, Apple TV 4K is one of the best long-term investments you can add. But if you are waiting for the future model, the decision depends on patience. A future Apple TV could bring a newer chip, stronger smart home features, and possibly more AI integration. However, the current model already delivers the main things buyers actually need. Premium, performance, strong entertainment features. Gaming, capability, smart home support, long, software life. Apple TV 4K is not the cheapest streaming device. It is not designed to be. It is designed for people who want the best experience, not just the lowest price. For most Apple users, the current Apple TV 4K remains one of the most future-proof streaming devices available. Buy it if you want a premium entertainment upgrade today. Wait, only if you already have the current generation and want to see Apple's next big move in the smart home future.